Are you tired of guessing your trades and losing money? If you want to trade Forex like a pro, you need a solid strategy. Today, I'll show you how to build a profitable Forex trading strategy from scratch, step by step. Let's get started. First, decide what kind of trader you want to be. Are you a scalper, making quick trades within minutes? A swing trader, holding for days or weeks? Or a day trader, closing all trades by the end of the day? Your trading style will shape your entire strategy. Choose wisely. Next, determine if you'll trade in trending or ranging markets. Some strategies work best when prices move in one direction, while others profit from sideways movements. Trend traders follow momentum, while range traders exploit support and resistance levels. Now let's talk about indicators. Moving averages help spot trends, RSI detects overbought and oversold conditions, and MACD signals trend changes. Choose indicators that complement each other instead of using too many. Simplicity is key. A strategy is useless without clear entry and exit rules. Your entry could be when a moving average crossover happens, and your exit might be when RSI hits an extreme level. Set these rules and stick to them. Discipline is what separates winners from losers. Even the best strategy fails without risk management. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Use stop losses to protect yourself, and ensure your reward-to-risk ratio is at least 2-to-1. This is how you stay in the game long-term. Before going live, backtest your strategy on historical data. If it performs well, demo trade it for at least a month. Track results, tweak where necessary, and only then use real money. A strategy without testing is just gambling, and that's how you build a solid Forex strategy from scratch. If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more expert trading tips. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite trading strategy? See you in the next one.